Hi, I'm Noah, here for Smart Prototyping, and today I'm going to be introducing our new Zio line of products and our first basic robotics kit, which includes these Zio products. Now, a lot of the Zio products include Qwiic connectors. Qwiic is a new I2C bus connector standard that's been defined by SparkFun and adopted by some other open source hardware makers, namely us. So let's get this show on the road. This robot includes our Arduino M Uno, and this is an Arduino Uno derivative, the main addition being these Qwiic connectors. Also we have a 16-channel servo controller and a 4-channel DC motor controller. We also have a TOF rangefinder module based on the RFD77402 and the Qwiic hub right here. So the servo controller is a derivative of Adafruit's 16-channel servo controller. Again, the main addition being these Qwiic connectors. The DC motor controller also includes those Qwiic connectors. Actually, everything on this table does. So we're powering the servo controller using the Arduino's built-in 5-volt regulator. Worth noting is that while we could drive this single servo directly from the Arduino, this kit is made to be expandable, and we expect that you'll add more actuators, more servos to the kit as you like, customizing it. So we've included that controller in anticipation of that. Now, the robotics chassis here includes 2 5-volt DC motors, and the kit also comes with all of the standoffs and mounting brackets that you see here. It also includes a 7.4 volt 2900 milliamp hour battery pack. So that's about it. Thanks for checking out our new products, and check out our other products on smartprototyping.com.